Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. My name is Paulo and I'm here again for another unboxing. Today I have this DHL package that came from Japan. So let's just open this with my Victorinox Alox knife and see what we have inside. So this is a package that I got from Wancher in Japan, and this is a pen that I bought. I have already another one similar to this from Appleboom that will come someday, but so far I wanted to buy another one because the other one will take a little longer to get here. Let me just zoom in a little bit and let's take a look at what is inside here. The Wancher brand, which is kind of well known, I think, is made is made in Japan, and it has this kind of line or sub-brand or subtype, and this 1X1X1, and inside I have this pen. So it comes with cartridges and another cartridge, and comes with a little booklet with some instructions, because there is a eyedropper version of it and a cartridge version of it. I bought the cartridge version of it because, you know, I don't like eyedropper pens. So let me take this out. The box is kind of nice, but we don't really care about that. It comes with another cartridge inside, and so here we have the pen. This is the Wancher. Let me take this out of the way also. This is the Wancher PoChaCo, and I bought this pen, and I have several reasons for it, and I will explain them in a moment. I like it. I like how it looks, and I understand how this can be easily eyedroppered. They say we can't eyedropper this cartridge version. I will not do it because I don't want to, but it's interesting. I bought the medium nib. This is a number 6 nib, and it is a steel nib and it looks nice. So the pen looks nice. It is transparent, all transparent. Has this flat top with the logo, and that's it. It's a very simple pen. So why did I buy it? I bought it for two reasons. First, because I already have the Wancher PoChaCo, which is the same pen, basically, as you may see. This one is eyedropper, this one is a cartridge pen. This could not be a cartridge because it is too small. This one is bigger. You can see the nib is bigger. This is a number 6 nib, this is a number 5. So different pens, different sizes. This is not really, it doesn't post perfectly well. Okay, now it is. So quite heavy, interesting. So this pen is, it is a short pen. I cannot call it a pocket pen because it's very fat. So what is this? This is a pen that reminds me those older jumbo Japanese pens, which were very big and very large, and they were kind of a fun thing back then. People say it was for people with arthritis to be able. I don't think they were meant that way. They may be good for people with arthritis to hold a bigger pen, but I don't think they were meant that way. I had one once and I sold it. If it was today, maybe I would not sell it. I'm not sure. It was an eyedropper with a shut-off valve. I don't love those kind of pens, but today it could be fun for my collection just to show, but doesn't matter. I got this pen because I thought it was just fun, and then they released this one. So if I had that one, I had to have these, but I didn't have these just because I had that. There are two reasons. One is to have the two variations. Then I have also a PoChaCo in orange, and there will be another one, another PoChaCo that will be coming from Appleboom one day when they get stuff from Wancher again. That will be also the orange one. So I have two. I will have a PoChaCo, just the same version as the PoChaCo, but not now. So this was one of the reasons. I already got this one because it was fun, so I need to have the bigger version, but also because I like some fat stuff. I have this, which is a very interesting kind of a pre-production or a, I don't know, prototype from Pako, which is the egg pencil, which is kind of fun, and it is kind of comfortable to hold, at least in my opinion. So this is an interesting thing, which is very fat. I like it, but my liking for fat stationery is not about the pencil, it's about fountain pens. And so let me go through them. At one time I bought this pen, which is the Tombow egg. I saw it, I thought, oh, I need to have one of those. It's so fun. The nib is kind of crazy. It is kind of a short pen, but a jumbo pen in that, as I told you before, but kind of a shrinked jumbo pen. It is a cartridge pen. So I thought this would be fun to have. Tombow egg, very hard to find today. So at one time, if I had the Tombow egg, I should have another pen that came before, I think, which was this Platinum. This is the Platinum Glamour. And the Platinum Glamour gave origin to the 3776 Gathered, then gave origin to the 10th anniversary editions. But that's another thing, I'll talk about that one day. Just today I just want to show this. So this is kind of the same thing, but a little bit narrower, also with a very wide nib, very strange feel with these threads, but with these grooves. But these grooves doesn't look logical here, but they make sense when you look at history, and I find that amazing. But that is another branch of the story. So this is just another kind of small jumbo Japanese pen. The way this is designed this way is another stuff that I will talk about in some other video. So these pens are nice, though they are both click-on place caps. Then at one point, Moonman or Mahjong, I don't know how this one is labeled, is Mahjong, they made the Q1. The Q1 is this very interesting fat pen, exactly very similar to the Tombow egg, also with the number 6 nib. This nib, it came with a generic nib, and I changed to this, but maybe I should get a Mahjong nib to put here to be a proper nib in the proper place. So maybe I'll get a Mahjong nib just for this. This is a beautiful pen. I like it with the number 6 nib also, and it is a jumbo pen again. It has threads here, no, not here, here, and it's on the same legacy as those. You may see it's very similar to that. And now with the Wancher PoChaCo, which you can see it's clearly on the same vibe. I have this collection, as far as I know, of short, fat Japanese jumbo pens, although this is Chinese. But in this theory, in this line of pens, in this philosophy of pens, I think they all belong together. By the way, this one was a eyedropper pen, the Mahjong Q1, but I converted I made it the opposite, everyone does. People have cartridge pens and they convert it into eyedroppers. I converted the Moonman into a cartridge pen. So, or the Mahjong into a cartridge pen. So I like it more. So you can see these are fun to have. And now I'm happier because I have this set. I think I have now all the models, but there are variations. There are different, several colors of these, several colors of that. I don't know about the Tombow egg, but there are several colors of the platinum glamour. So at least white there is. I don't know if any other colors, but at least there is white, and also black with black trim. So this is all for today. I just wanted to have this one in my hands, so I will ink it soon and we'll talk about it and make videos and all that stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed to see these uncommon pens. I don't think you'll see such a lineup in many channels. If there is any channel that can make that, please show me your video, because I'm interested in about seeing this and seeing your opinion. And this is all for today. I hope to meet you soon here on the channel. They are not very good to photograph because they just roll over. But so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, this very uncommon lineup, and we'll be back soon for some more videos. Bye.